Hi everyone, I'm Mayan Salvarion and I'm excited to welcome you to this video where we'll be exploring a deeply meaningful and transformative topic, which is compassion. As a first-year college student taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at Pan Pacific University, I had the opportunity to delve into how compassion shapes our world both in the ways we care for one another and our environment. In this video, we'll unpack what compassion truly means and how it manifests in our daily lives. We also look at how communal discernment can help us build a compassionate university and a better world. Compassion isn't just a feeling. It's a powerful force that drives us to make positive changes and support each other. So whether you're here to learn more about how to apply compassion in your own life or to understand its broader impact, I'm glad you're joining me on this journey. So let's dive into the heart of our topic, which is compassion. So, what is compassion? Compassion is a profound and multifaceted emotion, one that reaches deep into the core of what it means to be human. At its essence, compassion is the ability to see, feel, and understand the pain, suffering, or difficulties of others, and then, crucially, to be moved by this awareness to act in a way that seeks to alleviate that suffering. It goes beyond mere sympathy or pity. While this emotion might stop at feeling sorry for someone, compassion propels us into action, into doing something to help, support, or study by someone in their time of need. Compassion involves an emotional response that is often accompanied by a physical sensation, perhaps a tightness in the chest or a feeling of warmth in the heart, but it's more than the feeling. It's a call to action. It compels us to step outside of our own experiences and comfort zone to connect with others, recognizing our shared humanity and the vulnerabilities that unite us all. But what does compassion look like in practice? Compassion can be expressed in a myriad of ways. It might be as simple as offering a listening ear to someone going through a tough time, or it could be as significant as dedicating one's life to a cause that serves those who are suffering, such as working with marginalized communities, advocating for human rights, or participating in humanitarian efforts. Compassion also encompasses acts that might seem small but have a profound impact, such as showing kindness to a stranger or offering support to a colleague in distress. Now, we are tackling the compassion and the environment. When you consider compassion in the context of the environment, it takes on a broader, more inclusive meaning. Compassion for the environment means recognizing that the health of our planet is deeply intertwined with the well-being of all living beings, humans, animals, and even plants. It is an understanding that our actions, no matter how small, have a ripple effects on the world around us. Expressing compassion for the environment involves taking deliberate steps to reduce harm and promote healing for the earth. This might include adopting sustainable practices such as reducing waste, conserving water, and using renewable energy resources. It also involves advocating for policies and practices that protect natural resources, combat climate change, and preserve the ecosystem. Moreover, compassion for the environment is also about recognizing and addressing the injustice that environmental degradation often exacerbates. Many of the world's poorest and more vulnerable populations are the ones most affected by environmental issues, such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change. By acting with compassion towards the environment, we are also acting with compassion towards these communities, acknowledging that their suffering is directly linked to the way we treat the earth. For instance, by reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable agriculture, or advocating for clean energy, we are not only helping to protect the planet but also contributing to the health and well-being of those who are most affected by environmental degradation. In this way, compassion for the environment is inseparable from compassion for humanity itself. Now, we're in compassion in caring for others. Compassion towards others is one of the most fundamental expressions of our humanity. It's what drives us to care for our loved ones, support our friends, and reach out to those who in need. But true compassion extends beyond those who are closest to us. It reaches out to strangers, to people we may never meet, and to those who live in distant parts of the world. In a world often marked by division and conflict, compassion is the bridge that connects us. It allows us to see past differences in race, religion, nationality, or socioeconomic status, and to recognize the common threads of humanity that binds us all together. Compassion teaches us that the suffering of one is the suffering of all, and that is helping others. We are ultimately helping ourselves and our communities to thrive. Compassion in action can take many forms. It might involve volunteering your time to support those in need, donating to charitable causes, or simply being there for someone who is going through a difficult time. It also involves standing up for those who cannot stand up for themselves, whether that means advocating for the rights of marginalized community, supporting policies that promote social justice, or working to address systematic inequalities. Compassion towards others also requires us to be mindful of the impact of our actions and words. It asks us to consider how your choices, whether in our personal lives or in our role as a citizen, professionals, or leader, affect those around. By cultivating a compassionate mindset, we can create a more supportive and inclusive world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Now, the role of communal discernment. Communal discernment is a process that allows group of people to come together to reflect, discuss, and make decisions in a way that is rooted in compassion and empathy. It is practice that is deeply connected to the idea of shared responsibility and collective wisdom. In communal discernment, the focus is not just on finding the right answer, but on understanding the needs, hopes, and concerns of everyone involved in making decisions that are just compassionate and in the best interest of the community as a whole. At Pan Pacific University, communal discernment plays a vital role in creating a compassionate campus environment. By engaging in this process, the university community can ensure that decisions are made in a way that respects and values the diversity of perspectives and experiences that exist within the university. Whether it's decisions about policies, programs, or initiatives, communal discernment ensures that everyone's voice is heard and that the well-being of all members of the community is considered. For example, when addressing issues such as student welfare, sustainability, or social justice, communal discernment allows the university to draw in the collective insights and wisdom of its community members. This collaborative approach not only leads to more thoughtful and effective decisions but also fosters a sense of unity and shared purpose. In a broader context, communal discernment is essential in creating a more compassionate world. When communities, organizations, and nations come together to engage in dialogue, reflect on shared values, and make decisions based on empathy and understanding, they are better equipped to address the complex challenges facing the world today, whether it's combating poverty, addressing climate change, or promoting peace and justice. Communal discernment provides a framework for making decisions that prioritize the common good and the well-being of all. Now we are in building a compassionate future. Ultimate compassion is at heart of what it means to be human. It is the force that drives us to care for each other, protect our planet, and work towards a more just and equitable world. By embracing compassion in our lives, our communities, and our institutions, we can create a future that is not only more caring but also more sustainable and inclusive. At Pan Pacific University, the commitment to compassion and communal discernment can serve as a powerful example for the wider world. By fostering a culture of empathy, understanding, and collective action, the university can help to shape leaders who are not only skilled and knowledgeable but also deeply committed to make the world a better place. Compassion is a powerful and transformative force, whether expressed in our care for the environment, our interactions with others, or our participation in communal discernment. Compassion has the potential to change the world. By nurturing this quality in ourselves and our communities, we can build a future where everyone is valued, respected, and supported. A future that is truly compassionate.